part 2. Come on, shoot. Shoot, please. Shoot. Come here there, boy. Just come here. Thank you. Oh, I knocked it out. Fuck, I'm gonna get in trouble, man. I'm not gonna just whip flame, but I'm trying not to get my cat in trouble. I need to do this quick before Grandma gets here. Just find myself wood. This is where I'll hit this up. Let's go. I'll get rid of this. Wait! These hands are falling on my hands. These are red hands. Go. There. Nice. Okay, stop yelling. Go back to the campsite. Stop yelling, please. Oh my God, he's chasing me. Oh, chasing me. Come here, Kate. Come here there, boy. Chase. I'm just gonna maneuver him. I don't care. Go. Please. Thank you. Oh! My cat just moved the chair. I'm trying to get my camera. My phone! No, my phone! Don't bite my leg. Oh. Oh, my cat is acting like insanely crazy. Ow! Okay, stay, please. I'm gonna die, man. No, not yet, kitty, not yet. It's not open, not yet, kitty. Kitty, not yet, kitty. I have to get it open. God damn it, you're so dumb. Okay. Bro, stop doing that. I'm gonna get it open. Stupid. Stop trying to help me. I'm a human. I got fingers. I'm a human. I got fingers, man. Get away from me. Please. If I have food, yeah, my cat will chase me, of course. Put the cat down. Okay. Cat food. Go. Try to make my move. No. Stay, motherfucker. Stay. God, this smells so bad. Come on, stop crouching. Oh, my cat is insanely fast. Shit. Fuck, man. Got my camera. Okay, we're good. That was the roughest turn ever. My cat came pushing the damn camera away from the dang chair, trying to ruin my goddamn phone. But you know, ain't gonna do like that. Now he's just eating. Now he will not leave me anymore. Now he will finally leave me alone. Just want food, man. Those ants are insanely bad. I'm just gonna touch him. You wanna touch you? Ow, my finger's pointing. Okay. You wanna touch you or not? Riley, you wanna touch you or not, man? Bruh. Riley, you wanna touch you? Bro, Riley. Do you want to touch it? He's not leaving me. I mean, it's kind of good, man. Seriously, I've been recording like 5 minutes right now. It's been 5 minutes and nothing has changed. What time is it actually? I'm recording on my phone, so you can't get all the evidence of this shit. I got 20% of battery. Thank not. I got 5 more minutes before my phone battery runs out. I dare say my phone sucks. My phone is literally a Samsung Galaxy, man. I got 5 more minutes. I need to charge my phone because I don't have airplane mode on. Is it good? Subscribe it. Subscribe it for me. Hey. Subscribe it for me, please. I'm not using my phone or anything because he's aggressive, man. Riley. Is it good? Is it good, Riley? Riley, are you even paying attention to me? You know this is a camera. Yeah, she's shy. I'm just gonna put the camera away. I'm just gonna watch him like 10 more minutes now. My phone is about to explode, man. Bro, Riley, you just knocked the camera out. Shit. Why did you... Bro, I don't know how did it fall like that, man. It's the end of the video. Is the job's done?